I got tires the exact same size as these, but clearly they are not the same size. I mounted this one on my spare rim, just kind of see what it would look like. It's about an inch shorter than the original tires, even though the dimensions are the same written on the sidewall. Yeah, so these are 15-inch rims by 5.5-inch wide. I don't know what they came off of, what other kind of Willys they came off of. They're not an original truck wheel that I don't think. I believe that truck came with 16-inch wheels. So these were 7/15s. It is hot. So far, so good. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I should even continue with these. I mean, look at how bad these are, pitted. But I thought, hey, as long as the bead is good, then I should be alright to reuse these. But now, I'm finding cracks all along. Okay, I got 2 usable wheels. The other ones are cracked or holes rusted into them. So I'm going to reuse those. I ordered 2 more. And then I got another tire that I'm going to try out. One is Specialty Tire America. It is also a 7/15. But it's a little bit bigger. So real quick, this one's a little bit bigger. not too much of a difference. It's wider. The tread's wider. I also grabbed a 30 by 9.5 mud tire. The modern design, and I wasn't really excited about that either. I'm going to spray some primer on these wheels using this. I've never used one of these before, so I figured spraying primer and paint on these wheels would be a good chance for me to practice getting the gun set up and whatnot, because I don't want, painting the body of the truck to be my first time touching this thing. So we're gonna give this a shot and see how it goes. Air pressure got knocked down. I didn't lock the knob. Oh, that turned out so much nicer once I got the air pressure figured out. Ooh, look at that. This one's got some dirt in it. I am spraying right on dirt though, so I'll sand out the rough spots, get rid of that dirt and any drips, and then when I go to paint, I'll get it off the ground, probably put some plastic underneath it. I think I'm happy with that. How much paint did I use? Not very much. I'm actually really happy with how these turned out just now. Here, get right here. Okay. Got it. Here, get right here. All right, here we go.
I wanna film Bingo for a little bit and film his little butt. I filmed the Bingo's little bottom. Okay, we're looking at your head now.
Don't look at my head. Look at the wheel.
Okay.
Nobody wants to see my head. Ow. Hit it against my knee.
You should wear knee pads. Okay, now I want to film Bingo for a little
Set
bit.
it down and get it ready. There we go.
I want to film Bingo for a little bit. Bingo. Good boy. Oh, Bingo's. Oh, I'm filming you, but Bingo's here in the camera. Buddy, come on. Come on, Bingo. Good boy. Wait, where did Bingo go? Let me see. Oh, and the little puppy.
Whoa.
Oh my god, that little puppy right there. Okay.
A little too thin. I'll give those rims a couple days to dry, and then I'll mount these tires on it. I decided to go with the Deestones, even though they are narrower and slightly smaller than those Specialty Tire America ones. I couldn't justify the price difference. They were double the price of one of these, so I would have been spending over $900 on tire. And then the mud tire, the modern mud tire, just didn't look right. I kind of want that old style look, so these made the most sense, so that's what I'm going with. Yeah, I'll probably do another video later on of the rims and the tires once they're all together. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.